You will not be able to stay on the home row, my brother.
You will not be able to turn on, tune in, and white out.
You will not be able to lose yourself on copy and paste and skip out for coffee during meetings.
For the revolution will be typewritten.
Black and white will exist in perfect harmony on a letter-sized page.
You will no longer be subjugated by the uppercase because the lowercase will rise when the revolution comes.
When the revolution comes, Alt will no longer be in control. End will go home. Down with page up. And all the windows in the world will be broken.
You will no longer have to check your kerning in the mirror.
The revolution has no backspace key because the revolution was not a mistake.
Press C:, enter : pound, pound, pound.
You will not fit the revolution in 140 characters.
There will be no pictures of the boss firing interns on the coffee room bulletin board. There will be no pictures of the boss firing interns on the coffee room bulletin board.
The revolution will not contain commercials, pre-commercials, or post-commercials. The revolution has been brought to you and I live by your friend, the Umlaut.
The revolution will not come to you as a torrent, a stream, or a podcast.
IBM will no longer be a scatological joke, and Dvorak will no longer be a dirty word.
When the revolution comes, you will build yourself a barricade out of overpriced ergonomic chairs and disused fax machines, which you will ascend waving a flag adorned with a photocopy of your own buttocks.
When the revolution comes, Casual Friday will become Pants Optional Friday.
When the archaeologists uncover your mortal remains from under strata of whiteout, the revolution will be typewritten.
When your faith in total collapse outweighs your faith in technology, the revolution will be typewritten.
Your time will no longer be someone else's money. You will never have to smile through clenched teeth. You will not feel small talk eating at you like a cancer, for the revolution will be typewritten.
That thing that happened in the supply room closet last Christmas party will cease to be such a big friggin' deal when the revolution comes. For the revolution will not be on Facebook,
Will not be on MySpace.
Will not be on Twitter.
the revolution will be typed.